Right now, something invisible is happening inside your body. You can't feel it. You can't see it. But scientists can measure it, and it decides how fast you age. Every breath you take, every meal you eat, every stressful thought you carry is quietly changing your cells. Deep inside them, tiny protective structures are slowly wearing down. When they weaken, your body weakens. Energy fades. Recovery slows. Disease finds an opening. But here's the part most people don't know. Your body was designed with built-in repair systems. Systems so powerful that they earn the highest scientific honor in the world. Systems that can protect your DNA, clean damaged cells, and keep your internal factories running strong if you activate them the right way. And the trigger isn't expensive treatments. It isn't rare supplements. It's not locked in a lab. It's hidden in everyday habits and simple foods already sitting in your kitchen. Scientists discovered that when certain foods reach your cells, they send instructions, not calories, not energy, but messages. Messages that tell your body to slow aging, repair damage, and protect itself from the diseases that shorten lives. They also found that when you stop eating for a specific amount of time, your body switches modes. Instead of growing, it starts cleaning. Old, damaged parts are broken down and recycled. Cellular waste disappears. Inflammation drops. Your cells become more efficient, stronger, younger. Even more surprising, how well your body builds and repairs itself depends on microscopic factories inside each cell. When they're supported properly, your tissues stay resilient. Your immune system stays sharp. Your body recovers faster, even as the years pass. This isn't theory. It's not a trend. It's decades of hard science coming together into one clear message. Aging is not just about time, it's about signals. And you send those signals every single day with what you eat, when you eat, how you sleep, how you move, and how you handle stress. The difference between rapid aging and healthy longevity often comes down to small, repeatable choices. Colorful foods, strategic fasting, quality rest, gentle movement, moments of calm in a noisy world. You don't need perfection. You need consistency, because every meal is a message. Every fast is a reset. Every night of sleep is a repair window. Your body is always listening. And once you understand how to speak its language, aging stops being something that just happens to you and starts becoming something you can influence.